how to make a man think about you, and how to win a man over. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's probably on everyone's mind: how to make a man think about you and how to win his heart. Maybe you've already met someone special, or you just want to be prepared when it happens. Either way, I have some valuable advice for you. Love and attraction are complicated feelings, but there are proven ways to help you not only get a man's attention, but also create a deep emotional connection. It's important to understand that winning a man's attention isn't just about looks or behavior. It's about the depth of your interactions and understanding the basic principles of male psychology. Today, we'll look at what qualities and actions really attract men and discuss how you can use this information to build a strong and happy relationship. We'll delve into the psychological aspects of attraction and learn what mistakes to avoid. If you're ready to learn how to be irresistible and unforgettable, and how to make his heart beat faster at the thought of you, then this episode is for you. Get ready to get the tools that will help you not only attract, but also keep a man's attention. Winning a man over and creating a deep emotional connection requires not only being attractive, but also understanding male psychology. To make him think about you and want to be around you, it is important to consider several key aspects that influence male perception and feelings. 1. Emphasize your uniqueness. Men appreciate women who stand out from the crowd. This does not necessarily have to be related to appearance. Your unique hobbies, skills, passions, or worldview can greatly attract his attention. Sharing your interests and showing that you are independent and have your own life makes you even more attractive. 2. Use subtle touches and glances. Physical contact and unobtrusive gestures of attention can increase his interest in you. A soft touch on the arm or shoulder, a friendly hug, or mysterious glances can stimulate his thoughts to return to you again and again. 3. Share sincere compliments. Compliments do wonders not only for women. Men also feel and appreciate genuine recognition. Express admiration for his achievements, character, or even his appearance. This makes him feel seen and appreciated, which deepens his interest in you. 4. Create positive memories. Try to make the time spent together unforgettable. It can be a shared adventure, an unusual date, or even a deep and frank conversation. Emotional experiences leave a long-lasting imprint on the memory and make you want to experience them again. 5. Maintain a little intrigue. Don't reveal everything at once. Dose information about yourself so that a man wants to get to know you better. Intrigue maintains interest and stimulates his imagination, which can make him think about you more often. 6. Be supportive. Men, like women, are looking for a partner who will support them. By showing empathy and understanding for his problems or successes, you become not only an interesting woman, but also an important person in his life. 7. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive attitude attracts people. Undeniable self-confidence, cheerfulness, and the ability to see the good around you make you not only attractive, but also desirable. Using these tips, you will not only make a man think about you, but you can also build a deep and meaningful connection with him. Remember that sincerity and naturalness are your best ally in building a relationship.